Productivity is a technical term you might hear journalists, economists, and central bankers use quite a lot. So we upped our productivity this week and put together a short video explaining this basic economic concept. Productivity is how much you can get done in a given time. Think of it like the amount of points you can earn playing a couple of hours of a video game, or how many words you can get done on that class assignment in one evening. In economics, productivity is all about how many goods and services people, companies, and countries can generate with the resources that they have. Let's say you and your friend are baking. If you bake 10 cupcakes in 1 hour, but your friend only bakes 5, you are more productive. You're making more cupcakes in the same amount of time. When companies or even entire countries are more productive, they can create more stuff with the same effort, time, and resources. This cuts production costs and means there are more products available. All of this can grow the economy, create jobs, and make people better off. Over the past 50 years, global productivity has nearly tripled, and the overall world economy has gotten 6 times larger. But now, the world's population isn't growing as quickly as it used to, and that means fewer people join the workforce. If fewer people are working, each worker needs to be more productive to keep the economy growing. And if economic growth slows, it's harder for companies to raise wages, meaning people will have less money to spend. So, what can be done to avoid this? In a stable economy, there are 2 main ways to boost productivity. First, better tools and equipment. Imagine you have to move lots of heavy objects. If you have the right equipment for the job, you can move more in less time. Recent innovations in artificial intelligence and robotics are a really good example of this. The second way to increase productivity is giving people education and experience. An expertly trained chef with 10 years of experience can probably cook more quickly and efficiently than someone who's opening a recipe book for the first time in their life. Investing in the right tools and trainings is key to making economies more productive. Governments can help by spending on education and building better infrastructure, such as roads and rail networks. Companies can help by investing in technology to make workers more efficient and productive. So, that's productivity, really a vital part of the economy. See you next time for more Espresso Economics.